Welcome to a workshop of Material Website Toolkit dedicated to showing a use case for this Figma design asset. Let's start with the new page where I'm planning to drop some stuff. Let's create a kind of website similar to Figma's official site by combining together and customizing some pre-designed blocks from this UI kit. I used to split the screen here for faster collecting and matching the blocks for more similarity. Figma is on the right, obviously. This block with icons will be released from unnecessary items soon, so we just need the square icons only. The second is a classic single testimonial, almost no edits here, just a little customization, backgrounds, font size, some order replacement and a little bit of rescaling to match better the original website. The third block is made of cards. So I just pick any with similar cards grid. I'm planning to get rid of backgrounds and toggle the text into the center. This block looks like features, so I grab one of the universal with 3 combinations, large, medium and small, placed strictly into a grid. Basically, when you start a new project with this kit, your research takes time. I should mention that for me it's much faster to accomplish this step because as the creator of this product, I know where everything is located here. After a couple of hours of usage, you will feel much more comfortable to scan for required items in this product. And the last is the footer. 10 combinations available, 5 for light and the same for dark theme. So I took most simple and frequent to use the variant with logo and link columns. Yeah, looks like everything is correct, but I've forgotten the header. That's it. It should get customized with more links. I will drop out the button and replace with user pick. Every component is available in this web library, by the way. And now it's the time for customizing, rescaling and throwing off some unnecessary elements after detaching the blocks. So you are free now to take control over every pixel. Get accelerated and purchase this product for Figma. You'll find the link below this video.